Want to boost your app's growth? This video reviews DigitalTurbine, a mobile growth platform linking developers, advertisers, and carriers. Links are below. DigitalTurbine helps drive user acquisition, engagement, and monetization. Unlike typical ad networks, it uses pre-installed apps, on-device discovery, and post-install engagement for targeted placements. Perfect for mobile-first businesses, it expands reach beyond standard ads. A key feature is preloading. Your app lands on new devices before users even turn them on, guaranteeing visibility and boosting engagement. Ideal for gaming, fintech, and streaming, it grabs user attention instantly. DigitalTurbine single-tap install bypasses the App Store, smoothing the user experience and improving ad conversions. It offers programmatic and direct ad solutions with premium placements across device makers and carriers. This delivers ads during high-intent moments, maximizing campaign effectiveness. Supporting video, interstitials, and native ads, the platform optimizes for mobile performance. Publishers enjoy high fill rates and strong earnings thanks to DigitalTurbine's vast demand network. Deep analytics and reporting track acquisitions, engagement, and revenue in real time. AI-powered optimization fine-tunes campaigns, maximizing ROI and minimizing wasted spend. DigitalTurbine is a cutting-edge platform exceeding traditional marketing. Pre-installed apps, single-tap installs, and premium ad placements make it powerful for acquisition and monetization. Ready to scale your app and reach high-intent users? Check the links below.